Hello everyone, welcome to spelling class. Today we'll be looking at Unit 1, Lesson number 3, words with the short sound E spelled E. And some of the words that we're going to learn today are length, tennis, instead, guest, envelope, pleasant, energy, headache, echo, excellent, breakfast, insects, guest, measured, restaurant, against, treasure, metric, separate, and success. Spelling patterns. So we have 4 spelling patterns for this sound. E, like in self, like in the word length. EA, like in the word instead. UE, like in the word guest. And AI, like in the word against. So pause the video and try to pronounce the words. For next activity, I would like you to please write down 11 words with the E spelling patterns, 6 words with the EA spelling patterns, and 2 spelling words with the UE spelling patterns, and just 1 word with the IE spelling patterns. So pause the video, go to the Sea Eagles platform and work please on this activity. Now we're going to work on spelling and meaning, classifying. Write a spelling word that belongs in each group. When you're classifying words, a clue that will help you will be like looking for synonyms. Let's work on number 1. Snails, worms. What do you think is the word that belongs to this group? Insects. How about number 2? Volleyball, soccer, tennis. Number 3, with, hate. What do you think is the word that belongs to this group? Length. Length, like this. Number 4, stomachache, earache. Very easy. Headache. Number 5, company visitor. Very easy. Yes. Number 6, stamped letter, envelope. How about number 7? Dinner, lunch, breakfast. Number 8, great, wonderful, excellent. How about number 9? Riches and wealth. Riches and wealth, success. Number 10, supposed and suspected. When something is supposed or when something is suspected, that means that it's guessed. Number 2, divide or set apart, separate. And how about number 12? In place of, rather than, instead. So that's it for today's lesson, and I'll see you in the next activity. Bye.